In this video, you will learn the types of trading accounts in Admirals and the differences between them so that you will be able to choose the best option for your needs. Please find Start Trading field and click on Account Types. Admirals is using three types of trading accounts on two trading platforms. You can choose between MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. The minimum deposit for account activation on Trade and Zero accounts is the same, when for Invest account the minimum amount starts from €1. You can also see available currencies to open an account with us. On Trade account, we have more available trading instruments than on Zero. On Invest MT5 account, you can trade with real stocks and ETFs without leverage. The maximum leverage for retail clients is 1 per 30. The big difference between Trade and Zero accounts is the spread. It starts from 0.5 pips on Trade account and from 0 pips on Zero account. However, you are paying commissions for opening and closing transactions on Zero account. There are also commissions involved when trading on single share and ETF CFDs and stocks and ETFs. The minimum price increment of a trading instrument on Trade and Zero account is also available here. On Trade and Zero accounts, we use market execution when transaction is processed at the best price available on a trade server. On Invest MT5, there is an exchange execution where a transaction order is passed to an external gateway connected to an exchange or another liquidity provider. Please note that requotes are not available on our trading accounts. Here you can also see the maximum order size in Forex and the maximum amount of open and pending orders. Please be also advised that stop out level is 50% for retail clients and 30% for professional ones. Negative balance compensation is also available for all our CFD accounts. Please note that Islamic account is available only under Trade MT5 account. Hedging, or in another word, the ability to hold opposite positions in the same trading instrument, is also available for both Trade and Zero accounts. For all our trading accounts, you can use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, Android, and iOS applications. Moreover, on all our accounts, you can use expert advisors, Supreme Edition, one-click trading, volatility protection settings, market news, analysis by Dow Jones, and economic calendar. Please note that market depth level 2 pricing is available only on the platform MetaTrader 5. You can also click on the particular criteria in order to see the definition of it. Now you know more about our trading account types. Please feel free to contact us with any questions via global@admiralmarkets.com.